CRPF, go back! Go back! Go back!
Ki Samla Pule ke Northeastern Hill University NEHU hagajan med jong arpu pratrek yong arhajar pusan kila khang ye ki kherdop jong gane ke skol ba hadin kartu katne por kajian ya kabala mi hapreng jong ki bat ki magister lem ki Pulit ke East Khasi Hills District ki bala wan chikate ke jaka hadin ke jing syakyam u president ke NEHU su Samla Sandi Sotun Kajing syakyam Samla Sandi kadai na ke ejahar haka arpusan terek yong arhaja arpusan bala mudoi dau Dr. Alok Singh unang hikai Hindi hanihu ubala kenno bola syak syok bat syak takti haka kenhun ki Samla Pule bala lam khmat dau Samla Sandi haka janmet jong arpusau terek yong arhaja arpusan Halor kajing wan ki Pulit bat ki magister bala senran lang da ki Pulit CRPF ki Samla Pule ki laong bakala long ke basngolngo bada ki spa ngot ki wan tokit halor kate kajing ja Ki Samla ki hadian baki lakhang ya ki khardok pa university bat set kut lot ya ki kali hapo ki laong baki Pulit bat magister bat mi shwa shabar ka university da ka bayat kejat bat an sapha mi ya ki kali jongki
MLP, shame, shame! Shame, 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 shame! MLP, shame, shame! Shame, 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 shame! CRPF, go back! Go back! Go back!
Apa universiti aja kabar pak lagi nahi kai pak berbanding lagi proses gimana dalam lagi ni community proses berbanding with our own security guards dengan orang itu dan security guard kita kita security guard dia petrol santai gitu ada gimana pada partai sir and we are communicating accordingly
But then the communication is taking too long, sir. So,
anda risk issues of communicate.
No one should be prevented from leaving because that is.
You want to leave, sir? We will not prevent you. Nobody is being prevented. Nobody is being prevented. No, nobody. You can go. There is a taxi outside. If you want to leave, you can take a taxi. You can go. Yes, you can take a taxi. You can go.
So the cars that are there, the white one.
No, we can ask them to park somewhere and then they can take the taxi and they can
You
go.
cannot do that. No, you cannot tell someone to get out of the car.
no, sir, it's
We will request them to park their car.
First you leave and then automatically everybody will leave.
Are you suggesting that you will not allow these people to leave?
We are not saying that.
We are not saying that. We are not saying that.
You're mistaken us. You have what we
Right
are
now they're not
saying.
able to go because of a small matter.
Sir, what?
yeah. Sir, that issue can be solved easily if only these police personnel get out of this campus.
What we are saying, sir, no?
That only. Yeah.
Easy, sir.
Easy for them also, easy for us, easy
No
for
need
you
to
guys
tell
also,
us
you can go home easily.
After deploying this much of security personnel,
Look, sir,
we were in peace, in a peaceful motion, sir, all these days.
So if they take
The very objective of why the deployment has
you
taken
send
place
it to them.
is not
You see
working,
the
sir.
situation. Tell them to see the situation.
Isa bilang ha ground sa iga balong. Send them the pictures.
We
come in peace there. Dia dah bagi WhatsApp kelar ke. Yang lain kulit Only sa ong bagi itu baik. But the purpose that you send us is not fulfilling because you have sent us you have deployed almost 100 plus security personnel and rather it is threatening the whole peace of the university campus. University
It's just the opposite of peace.
And the fact is that the administration has not provided the approval for the security personnel to enter inside the campus. So we are not, we are all unarmed. It's not that we are carrying something to harm anyone, sir. We respect the investigation is going on, and we have said also, sir, that we will cooperate.
I'm not feeling threatened at all. I'm standing right in the middle.
Yes, sir. We said we will cooperate.
Kind of dialogue.
We will cooperate, sir. But this kind of cooperation has to be mutual from both ways, sir. You have your own terms and conditions, we also have our own terms and conditions. We will cooperate, provided there should not be any security personnel whatsoever inside the campus, sir.
In the meantime, while we were waiting for, you can discuss with ensure that there's no police personnel close to any hostel. So you can also speak to your friends across the campus just to check. Because we've already ensured that there will be that there'll be no patrolling in those spaces.
So since morning, there were police personnel who were in civil uniforms, sir.
You were saying that
They were even taking pictures also. And they arrested some of our friends in civil uniform. Now, sir, in DK Basu's case guideline, it was clearly mentioned that no police personnel can arrest a person in civil uniform. How was that done, sir? And that too, a wrong person was arrested and later on they were dropped from gate 5, sir. Now you tell us, sir. Why were the guidelines not followed in the case Basu case, sir? Why were they being arrested in civil uniforms? Now, how will we differentiate whether they are actually police personnel or whether they are mere research scholars or mere students, sir? And that too, you drop from gate 5 out of the jurisdiction of the university. You are not even informing the university that we are coming to arrest some of the students, if that is the case, sir. Now, isn't it the breach of the police authority, sir? No warrant whatsoever was provided, and no police uniform was also provided. And even while you're taking the arrest, also you didn't even inform any of the friends. So this matters should be taken into consideration, sir. When you are coming to arrest someone, that too with not with uniform, sir, without proper clear identification as to whether you are a policeman or not, and you are catching someone via their neck. FIR was filed on Friday, right, sir? If that's the case, if need was there, you could have summoned. We are ready to cooperate whatsoever, sir, as per law and procedure. But we respect the same cooperation even from your side, from the administration, from the police personnel as well. After happening, what does police department do? Sending 140, almost 100 plus, that too for the security of the students. How is that helping? We were already very much secured. The university was already very much secured prior to the coming of police. And now what is happening, you can see. This is the real thing that is happening on ground. So if you want to take this long, we are ready, sir, to continue with this. Because this is our university, we have every right to travel whatsoever place, and that too with freedom of not being scared that we will be getting clicked by anyone. And how can they deploy so much of personnel without even taking the approval of the administration? You are literally entering someone's homes without even their consent. This is our home. The whole university is our home. You are entering our home without even taking the approval of the people who are actually staying inside the campus. And now you want us to cooperate with you. And what kind of cooperation? With 140 plus police personnel being deployed. How will we cooperate, sir, in that matter? There's a fear psychosis that is happening with us. For a case that has to be handled by the state government, why are CRPF being deployed? It is not an area of high tension, sir. You are entering our home without even taking the approval of the people who are actually staying inside the campus. And now you want us to cooperate with you. And what kind of cooperation? With 140 plus police personnel being deployed. How will we cooperate, sir, in that matter? There's a fear psychosis that is happening with us. For a case that has to be handled by the state government, why are CRPF being deployed? It is not an area of high tension, sir. There is no terrorist whatsoever, or there is no such that this situation comes under very high alert situation. PUE, sir. We are all students. You are literally asking us for staying from almost 4. Now it's almost 7, 3 hours. Is it not a harassment to us? Yes! Is it not a harassment to us? Yes! It is a literal harassment, sir, in one way or the other. You will say that you are doing your duty. What is your duty, sir? To protect the particular teacher? Protecting the particular teacher with 140 police personnel, is it really justifiable, sir, when you are creating a chaos towards almost 5,000 stakeholders of the university are being harassed right now by your actions, sir? What do you have to say on that, sir? Don't say that we acknowledge. Please do have some action, sir. Tell all the police personnel to remove from the gate, and we will also open the gate, sir. And the students, the university will function normally. And unless, if you don't find any conclusive evidence, so to say that even someone is calling from the university campus, then you can come inside, sir. That too with proper approval. Please, sir, pass on the message.
Why is the gate locked? It should just remain open.
Yes, sir. We will remain open if you guys go out. As simple as that. You want the gate to open, we also want the gate to open. However, there is some terms and conditions. That is, the police personnel must move out first, sir. You have entered our home forcefully, sir. And now we have locked our home's door. This door will open until unless you guys leave, sir. It's our humble request, sir. Please move out of the campus. Stay outside the gate. It's fine, sir. If anything happens, you can come inside. But not now, sir, please. Just pass on this message. At least this thing you can do now, sir.
We have passed it. We passed it on.
Sir, please do something. For how long, sir? Will we have to wait till 12 a.m., sir?
If you hope that, we'll make it easy to pass, no?
Please, sir. Our voice also matters. Students matters a lot, sir.
And I know by this only now again.
It's been more than an hour now, sir. I don't know why they are taking time, why they are not caring for us students. We have been here for more than 1 hour. We have been standing here.
From 4.
Why?
Since 4. A letter from the Vice Chancellor herself, Incharge, stating that the police personnel have entered the university without her knowledge. Without her knowledge. Police, shame, shame.
Without her knowledge, they entered, and she has requested them to vacate the premises of the university immediately. Now, do you think that they should stay for even 1 second longer in this particular campus?
MLP, shame, shame. Shame, 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 shame. MLP, shame, shame. Shame, 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 shame. MLP, shame, shame. Shame, 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 shame. CRPF, shame, shame. Shame, 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 shame. CRPF, shame, shame. Shame, 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 shame. CRPF, go back. Go back, go back.
Ni kumki student mas mi na po department abangi ya mi na department ya ki surok ni isu Pulit kidan hani hata hani ta kiat mo dingi poi hang te haget Kyrwoh dingi inang te na jinga isi group Pulit la dan hani dingi wan nang te hang ni yo ani belai mo kat ni haden tupat ong ok ni kiri wan up dingi ki student hang ni ba dan ka jingji hang ni dah haden ka tupat ki ong ni ba obajia kata baki haban wan hang ni bandon kata bandon kata ka jing pakat sajia kata ka rayat hang ni mo dah haden kata pat ni oi ki balik kat ni habangi kum ki student ni mi na kelas ki wan hang ni ki don ki balik sha library ki don SA de balik kat ni hato kata ka jingji hang ni ba sya syo ite ine kai jongi to kata ki condemn mo kata ka jingji hang ta mo ladap ki wan hang ni to wan kem le kata ka investigation jompi le kata ka ba pidi ban le ngim khang kata tambakat ni kata ka kita ki CRP
seperti polis mo.
CRP KSF dan ukiwan hang ni kat ni hatu kata kalong safe mo yang ni habang ya hang ni keleng ki security guard jongi ro kidon man kes ni ya penting ya marwai ro ni kam tam ni kum kenthei mo ting ya nyo beje pra beje ya hang ni marwai henry mentak per khalah nyo beje kat kan ni hatu ngilong safe mo ngi lai dang ya chate kam tam kitu bamdan kiting ki street light kini ki hatu ngilong safe mo
Kita Pulit mo ki bakem klempong uniform mo
ki wan po civil dress
tiki shuan tan ba ki kena untuk but la drop ki par ha te po gate 5
anda klap pen hab ki hate ki ang bangi bakla hatu kata kalong mo ban shu bakla ban shikem hatu kata kam mental health jongi
kena kin sengok mo ki perlok jo itu kena kin sengok mo kin ong kum no ya ki itu kena bakli mo ti takadau ngi condemn ya kata ka jingle jongi di Pulit bat ki Pulit ru artan ha kiwan kia ki hostel kan thei te kamut ayu kata bakin mo ya ki hostel kan thei kakam don ru em ki hostel kan thei ba pin chuan ya ki kan thei ki kena kan thei ki don ki jing snow ba kim nur chu ban mi na hostel kim ki tiang ban mi na library ru kim nur ki kena ba pli kan thei ki om ba bali ki chuan ki piting makin mar bali ki nang mut ba makir kin suspect kan te mangi yang sutanat kum kini ka judge
habak ni kena ru ngiat kita ki Pulit kebut na din jongi hatu kata kalong mo kata kam bu jingting kam bu jing mayangi habakan ni kadi ka university kadi benlong peaceful kadi benlong jai kadi benlong ngingi la ban le kan pemon ban ya chani chatai klem jingting de habaki bot din kum ta hatu kam bu jing mayangi ba what if yang ngi ru ngin kem kit pen hab yang ngi stengelti kana mangi bakla bangim de kita ki suspect
kata kalong kai ka jing yu jong pilong ki kwa ba kini ki Pulit kini
ni kwa ka jing kwa jongi kalong ba tang kitu ki member ki bakar tang kitu ki Pulit ki bal le ka investigation kila ban rum syapo nrai umde kat kan hadu shis pa san po ngut ki Pulit
artrok lai
hatu kalong mo
nang ta berkilathi de bakiwan berkisuloi de kamut ayu kita ka pitri ka
jingi wan hang ni
kim de kum kikna
ni kum terrorist ni thapi ki kopi tang iwan ni mi sing na ying ki oingi select sa poiso sawan biang sing dah habajia kum ni kamut bagi kum bagi tharais ni am yangi kena
to hatu gade nam ka jing sisha ba kita ki kena mane ba ki ra sha po ki fai dai ki ong ki don ki ong ba ki saksi ki sha iru
hoi kata ka di sha henry bangin ya thu ep menta ka kerteng ba manu tak kena kata kalong bang ibu jing mai tak kena nama mai la long kum bayo trauma ba kensan ki shuan ban kem ye ki shuan ban buah pokali
sundur ki
kata ro kelab bu penhab ki steng ti hatu kata kim ting no ban wan shakmat
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Kakot kakia. ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya